It's been a while, but welcome back, Slay Glam. Yes, we have missed you. We are glad to see you back up and running. They hit a little snag. It happens. Smaller companies sometimes can't weather a storm as easily as a larger company. Like we said, welcome back. We missed you. Glad to have you back. This is technically the July box. Hey, instead of Christmas in July, we're getting July and Thanksgiving. From Lash Step, we have a mascara, and I love the way these little containers have that little twist in the middle. Doesn't take much to keep me excited and entranced. This is in the shade Dark Star. I'm going to presume it might be blue. Then again, it could be black. Either way, that is kind of cute. The reason I'm thinking it is blue is because we have an eyeliner in a blue shade. And sometimes an eyeliner can make a good eyeshadow. That is a nice blue. And that is from Roll It Up. From Appeal, we have a liquid lipstick, and I'm trying to do this without blinding everybody. That's a nice pink rose shade. Yes, very nice. It almost matches the inside of my mouth. Yes, it is a good coordination for you. Oh, goody, I can use it. And to go with this, also from Appeal, we have a lip liner. And the two coordinate very nicely here. Oh yes, very well done. I've said it before and I'll say it again. I always feel like this box is well thought out and put together, well coordinated, not just 5 items tossed in there and there you go. Well thought out box, and that is definitely appreciated. And there is a palette, so I get to do swatches. This is a Lurella palette called Ocean Breeze, and there she is. Oh, those are fun. Yes, they are, and that will go well with the blue eyeliner. I want a brush. I need to do swatches. Okay, we'll get you a brush. Oh, goody. Cue the music or the sound effects or whatever we can find. Miss Fatima the Camel will now do swatches. Nice job in the swatching department, Miss Fatima the Camel. Thank you. That is one of my specialties. So what did you think? Did you like the box? What was your favorite item? I have to say, and I agree, our favorite item was the palette. And taking a quick look at the nitty-gritty, I didn't price everything out. I did try to get a price on the palette. I don't see it on the Lurella website any longer, but my guesstimate is it would have been, or it would be, in the $15 range. And considering the box is value that we pay $24, I'd say we got a good return on our investment. The shipping is free. We have to pay tax, so that gets us $25.86. we do understand that prices are going up around on everything. From what we understand, this box will increase in price. Yes, we got an email saying that the box price will be going up, I believe, to $30. The shipping will still be free. Of course, we're going to still have to pay tax, yet even for a $30 cost, I would say this is still a good value. Thanks for taking the time to watch our video. Hope you enjoyed my swatches. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, notification bell, because we got all kinds of fun stuff coming this holiday season. And we hope to see you in another video real soon. Bye-bye. See you later.